tidy up now. I'm gonna clean up myself. Did you put away all these toys? Christian, you did such a good job setting the table. Hey, Christian, I have something for you. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom. Hey, Bella, watch this. Zoom. Hey, kids, I'm cooking dinner now. Oh my goodness, there's such a mess. Please tidy up now. Okay, Mama. Oh, thank you for listening. Bella, it's time to clean up now. No. Come on, Bella, let's clean up now. No, I go. I'm gonna clean up myself. There, all done. I want to surprise Mama. I'll go get her. Mama, come see my room. Okay, Christian, let's go and see. Wait, Mama. You need to close your eyes. Okay, Christian, my eyes are closed. Okay, come in a little bit. Okay, that's good. Stop there. Okay, now open them. Did you put away all these toys all by yourself? Yeah, I did, Mama. I'm so proud of you. You're growing so much. Now dinner's almost ready. Let's go down and get the table ready. Christian, I need help with one more thing. Please set the table for dinner. Okay, Mama, I can help you with that. Thanks for your help with the tablecloth. I'm going to get dinner. You put the plates and forks. Okay, Mama. Christian, you did such a good job setting the table. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Mama. Okay, come sit down in your chair. Honey, dinner's ready. Okay, I'm coming. That's delicious, honey. Oh, thank you. I'm all finished. May I please be excused? Yes, you may. Hey, Christian, I have something for you. You've been so good tidying up and helping me in the kitchen that I want to give you a surprise. Yay! What is it? It's a surprise toy! It's Kristoff! Hey, he's kind of squishy. Squishy. Wow, Mom, thanks so much. I love him.